Ableton Live's filter delay is an incredible tool for turning basic patterns, like a simple hi-hat playing on the 1, 2, 3, and 4 of each bar, into intricate and engaging rhythms. By applying its three independent delay lines, left, stereo, and right, you can craft a sound that feels alive and full of movement. Start by assigning each delay line to a specific frequency range using the built-in filters. For example, focus one delay on higher frequencies, another on the mid-range, and a third somewhere in between. Sync the delay times to your track's tempo, giving each delay line a unique rhythm to create interplay and variation. Add feedback to control how long the delays repeat, and use the pan controls to spread the sound across the stereo field, giving your hi-hats a spacious, dynamic feel. Finally, balance the dry and wet levels to ensure the original sound and processed delays blend smoothly without overpowering each other. This approach transforms a basic hi-hat pattern into a rhythmic, textured element that adds depth and complexity to your mix. Want to master more of Ableton Live's effects? Comment Ableton below, and we'll send you free resources to take your production to the next level.